Hey Beachbody Fit Fam! Today we're going to show you how to attach the Beachbody control track to a wall with wooden studs. If you like, it's faster and easier to mount your control track as a temporary attachment to a door. If you'd rather do that, go back to the Getting Started tab, choose the door installation video, and follow those instructions instead. A few important notes before we get going. This installation method only applies to standard walls, that is drywall over wooden studs. We don't recommend that you use this installation method on brick, concrete, or any other type of wall. Next, if you're just not handy with tools or you're unfamiliar with basic installation techniques, hire a professional to ensure your control track is installed securely. You must follow each step exactly as we describe it, using only this method to properly install your control track onto your wall and using only the hardware we recommend. This will keep you safe and protect your walls. Finally, use the control track only as we specifically demonstrate in the workouts. And before you begin, read and follow both the control track care and safety instructions and the wall mount safety instructions, both of which came with your control track. Okay, ready to go? Here are the tools and hardware you'll need. You can find all of them at your local home store. A stud finder, a drill with a 3/16 inch bit, pliers or an adjustable crescent wrench, 2 steel screw eyes that are 1/4 inch by 3 3/4 inch, 2 3/16 inch quick links that are 2 inches in height and 1 inch in width. Let's get started. First, find a good space in your exercise area to install your control track. Make sure there are no obstacles in the way and be sure you have enough space in each direction to do the various moves. We recommend at least 6 feet of space. Next, find a spot close to the floor but above the floor molding. Use the stud finder to locate one of the vertical wooden studs behind your drywall. Find the center line of the stud using the stud finder and mark the spot. Again, if you're not comfortable doing any of this, hire a professional. But if you're sure that you can do this properly and safely, proceed with drilling a 2-inch starter hole. Insert the first steel screw eye and hand tighten. If you need to, use the pliers or the crescent wrench to turn the steel screw eye until no threads are showing. Also, make sure that the steel screw eye is perpendicular to the ground so that the control track runs flush to the wall. Attach a quick link to the steel screw eye and close it securely with the locking nut. Next, measure to a spot 80 inches directly above the bottom screw eye. Use the stud finder and mark a spot on the center line of the stud. And repeat the same steps to securely install the top steel screw eye. Make sure that the eye is perpendicular to the ground. Once again, attach the quick link to the steel screw eye, but this time leave the locking nut open. Okay, now let's assemble the control track to your wall mounts. Hold the strap so that the gray stopper loops are facing down. Take the gray stopper loop that's furthest from the metal buckle and insert it through the quick link. Make sure the black strap goes through the quick link and over the gray loop. Securely close the locking nut on the quick link. Next, attach the cam buckle with the cradle to the strap by pinching the metal buckle on the cam buckle and threading the end of the strap through. Without twisting the strap, pass the end through the bottom quick link from the outside in toward the wall. Check to see that the strap forms a continuous flat loop through both quick links, with no twists, knots, or kinks. Now, pull the end of the strap up to the metal buckle. Pinch the buckle and pass the strap through. Pull the strap until it's taut against the wall. Attach your B-Lines resistance band to your control track. Holding the cam buckle with cradle, pass the end of the band through the cam buckle until the band rests inside the cam buckle cradle. Make sure that the cam buckle's rubber protector is firmly attached to that metal piece. To adjust position for different exercises, just pinch the metal buckle and slide it up and down the strap. Now give it some tugs to test your installation was secure and safe. Always make sure to check your control track buckles and B-lines before every workout. That's all there is to it. Now let's start getting great results.